I liked everything about the hotel except for the fact that the car didn't turn up at the airport for pickup. I was told it got punctured when I called them, even though I expected an SMS for car no and driver mobile beforehand. Views of Konchenjunga was superb. Lovely wooden floors and ceilings. Hot water and room heater were available at all times without asking. Food is quite good and tasteful. However, the narrow lane to the hotel was a disappointment. Not repaired for years. I stayed here twice, returning after a trek because it was so comfortable the first time. Great hot water, very hot, comfortable beds, clean rooms and nice lobby design. Views from rooms and balconies were splendid as well. The breakfast was upscale and very nice, staff very helpful. Only downside of the location is that you have to walk up the access road as it is currently under repair. I suppose there is some of this anywhere you stay in town. Pool table in the lobby bar is great also. Stayed 4 nights in November. The airport pickup was very prompt. Good rooms and front desk was responsive to my request for a room with a good view after check-in. The hotel is lovely, but as there was no central heat or lit fireplaces, there were not any people in the common areas, except for breakfast. The room was very comfortable and a heater was provided to warm up. Internet access was available only the hotel area after paying. Good location for walking to the main Darjeeling markets, restos and shops, and very quiet in the evening. Hotel was good, and good food. Staff were great with excellent service. Grin. Nice hotel and courteous staff. We were in the premier room, and had a great view of Konchenjunga. Close to downtown mall area. Hotel is nice, facilities are good. Staff is professional and helpful. Location is nice. One issue is the climb over a cliff to reach hotel. Would be a issue for elders or people on wheelchair. The stay was nice. The hotel manager gave us some issues on check-in that we were a couple with a double occupancy and said that rooms for 2 people were more expensive than what we had booked on Agoda. After some deliberation though, all was settled at no extra expense and the rest of our stay was lovely. Hygienic, well-maintained and professionally managed. Courteous staff. Very prompt service. Decent buffet spread and breakfast. New Year Eve gala dinner was excellent. Tariff was on higher side, but, I guess, that was due to festive period of New Year. Only downsides are, double, premium rooms are too small, very steep approach road to hotel, no lift. Took advantage of Diwali holidays to visit Darjeeling. Hotel is very well located just up and away from the buzz in the center. The view of Darjeeling and Konchenjunga from the shared balcony is stunning and I see no reason to travel to see sunrise on Konchenjunga from Tiger Hill in case you stay here. Just to make an early morning on the balcony then crawl back into bed. We spent our Christmas Eve and day at Hotel Sinclairs. It was unforgettable and memorable, very glad we paid more for a deluxe suite room. Christmas was cold in Darjeeling but the bed was so comfortable and soft we have no problem fall asleep and feel warm. Throughout our stay at Hotel Sinclairs, the service was welcoming, warm, helpful, and very accommodating. We wouldn't change anything and would very much thank you Hotel Sinclairs for this wonderful experience. We had a fine stay at Hotel Sinclair. The staff are really friendly and the beds are divine. We'd highly recommend the in-house masseuse. However, the overriding problem was the lack of heating. It was freezing and damp. Blankets are provided for the beds but the hotel was cold all day. And the doors and windows are constantly open. The road leading to the hotel is also steep and very bumpy, potholy. Not good if you've got elderly or less abled people in your party.